Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best all-weather tires that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Yokohama XL ADVAN FLEVA V701 BW tire. Yokohama ADVAN FLEVA V701 tire is built for those who value road grip and control during warmer seasons. This tire is designed to fit vehicles focused on high performance and better steering feedback. The shape and build help manage both dry roads and wet conditions without losing balance. It supports smooth cornering and speed consistency over extended distances. With a width of 205 mm and a tread setup that supports summer use, this model suits cars used in active driving routines. The design includes a pattern that directs water away, which helps when driving through rainfall. This makes it useful for highway rides where sudden weather changes can occur. The materials used help lower energy use, which may also support better fuel use. This tire fits an 18-diameter wheel and holds a load capacity near 1,169 pounds, offering suitable support for everyday vehicles. The inner structure is made to reduce air resistance and give more control during motion. The unique groove design improves traction without creating much sound, which helps maintain a quiet ride on most paved roads. For those driving on busy routes or heading on longer summer drives, this option helps maintain firm road contact while keeping comfort in mind. The tire comes from a trusted maker and is available across a variety of rim sizes, making it simple to match with many modern passenger cars or tuned setups requiring enhanced control. In our list, the number 2 product name is BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO2 Radial Car Tire. BFGoodrich All-Terrain TA KO2 Radial Tire is built for light trucks, sport utility vehicles, and crossover vehicles. This model supports driving in all types of weather throughout the year, including cold, snowy conditions. Its design suits those who often travel across mixed terrain such as dirt, mud, rocks, and sand while still needing smooth handling on regular roads. This option comes with a section width of 225 mm and is made to handle loads up to 2,150 pounds. It maintains balance even when driving across uneven routes by providing steady grip and dependable corner response. It is made with materials that support a firm tread and improve mileage over longer periods without wearing out quickly. The rubber structure includes extra resistance against cuts or cracks, helping it survive tough roads. This setup gives more road contact and keeps driving smooth and safe on both dry and slippery areas. It allows better control during fast turns or when slowing down under pressure. With a rim width of 8 and maximum pressure reaching 65 pounds per square inch, this tire works well for vehicles that often move between paved and off-road surfaces. The added strength from the inner layers improves road feedback and keeps the shape stable during extended use. Drivers looking for a strong and reliable all-terrain solution that remains comfortable and durable in all seasons may find this tire suitable for their day-to-day and outdoor use. In our list, the number 3 product name is GT Radial Champiro Touring Car Tire. GT Radial Champiro Touring AS is made for drivers who need dependable traction and stable driving throughout the year. Built for passenger cars and crossover vehicles, this model blends a calm driving feel with control. It supports safe handling during turns and changes in road surfaces while helping reduce outside noise. This option suits those who often move between cities or commute daily across different road conditions. The section width of 205 mm and a tread depth of 10-30 seconds support better ground contact and improved cornering. It can carry up to 1,356 pounds and allows maximum pressure of 44 pounds per square inch. Its rim width of 5.5 inches and tire diameter of 24.88 work together to offer balanced movement and smoother transitions when changing direction. This tire provides reliable grip in dry and wet conditions and is made for changing seasons. It supports driving through light rain or slight snow without much loss of traction. Designed to offer better control when braking or accelerating, it helps maintain steady movement even on slippery roads. The unique tread pattern and shape help it stay firm against wear and give better control across short or long distances. It is made for people who want comfort, long road life, and peace of mind through multiple seasons. This tire is a useful option for those who need a mix of quiet performance and steady response without giving up safety or durability. In our list, the number 4 product name is Cooper Discoverer AT34S All-Season Tire. Cooper Discoverer AT34S is designed for people who want dependable support throughout every season. This model works well for those who drive sport utility vehicles or light pickup trucks and often travel on both city roads and rough terrain. The tire adapts to changes in road surface and temperature, helping drivers stay in control through rain, snow, and dry conditions. The section width of 225 mm allows steady contact with the road, while the tread depth of 13.530 seconds supports improved grip. This model can hold up to 1,764 pounds and handles up to 44 pounds per square inch of air pressure. The tire diameter measures 27.68 and fits a rim width of 6.5 inches. This tire helps deliver a secure experience in different road conditions. Whether driving on wet pavement or loose gravel, it offers improved road response and helps stop more quickly on snow-covered surfaces. It keeps the vehicle stable even during sudden weather shifts or temperature changes. The structure also helps reduce slipping by allowing the tire to bite into soft ground and channel away water. Its strong grip pattern increases the chance of maintaining control when moving over wet or uneven areas. People who often move between smooth streets and challenging paths will likely find this option suitable. It is created to serve those who need comfort, safety, and all-around support without reducing control or strength. In our list, the number 5 product name is Michelin Crossclimate 2 All-Season Tire. Michelin Crossclimate 2 All-Season Tire in size 235/55R19 is made for vehicles needing steady support in every weather type. It holds up to 2,039 pounds and fits a rim width of 8.5 inches. The tire has a diameter of 29.1 and a tread depth of 1030 seconds. Its directional design is suited for vehicle owners who want control in wet or dry road conditions across the year. This tire responds well under pressure, able to reach up to 50 pounds per square inch. With a 2-ply build, it offers a steady structure for daily driving. Drivers who travel through cities, highways, or snow-covered areas may find it useful. When near the end of its tread life, it still shows good stopping ability on snowy ground compared to several popular competitors. Michelin Crossclimate 2 tire can stop faster than others on both wet and dry pavement based on performance in controlled conditions. It also may offer longer use, depending on how and where it is driven. Even as the tread wears down, it maintains solid traction and grip on the road. The tire is designed for vehicles like crossover models and sedans. Drivers looking for consistent road contact in summer heat, winter slush, or spring rain may consider this tire a smart match. It balances tread durability with safety support for daily or seasonal use, making it an option for people who want reliability in various conditions. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.